Lesson 5, Creating and Linking Your Website Portfolio Pages. This is part of a series in web design lessons for the professional writing portfolio. I will be moving quickly through the lesson, so of course feel free to pause the video as you implement each of the actions or the instruction, including this overview. So the first thing we need to do is download the STE file. I asked you to save this in your cloud drive. I'm going to right click, download, and it goes to the downloads folder. I'm going to use the Finder to navigate to that file and folder. Double click on the file. This file will automatically open Dreamweaver. On the Manage Sites dialog, click Done. Please ignore the local view and navigate to the remote server view, which will connect Dreamweaver to the Reclaim Hosting website. In a previous lesson, you created an index page. You'll recall that index page also means home page. It's the page that users will point to when they type in your web address. I'm double clicking on that file. Once the file opens, we're going to create the remaining pages of the professional writing portfolio, which includes the professional writing sample page, the literature writing sample page, resources, and contact. File, save as, professional writing. I'm going to press enter or return. You can also use the save button. It doesn't matter where it's saving locally because Dreamweaver will push it or put it to your remote server and put it in the correct place. We're going to change the title of this page to Professional Writing Samples. This will remain the same because it's the same for the whole site. This will change for each page because it's the page title. And we should put a reminder here, enter new content for a future lesson and future work. Notice this asterisk here. Remember that it means that the page is not saved. When I save it, it will also push to the remote server, and you can see that here. So now I'm going to move quickly through making the remaining pages, and then we'll link them. File, save as, literature writing, no spaces, no capitalization, save as, resources. I'll make a few corrections in a minute. Save as, contact. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is change the page titles. Recall what the asterisk means. File. I'm going to save all those files. Now that each of the pages are created, I'm going to link them. The most popular way to do this with students is to use the point to file method using this icon at the bottom. So let's go ahead and go back to the index page. I'm going to highlight home. Home and home page means index page. Highlight this. Professional writing, I'm going to drag to the professional writing file. Highlight literature writing. Drag the icon to the literature writing file. It takes some practice. Resources, I'm going to drag the icon to the resources file and contact. Drag, as we did with the others, to the contact file. Asterisk means it's not saved. I always do save, oops, excuse me. I'll do save or Command S. Testing this out to make sure everything's working. I'm going to go home page. You can see they're underlined and colored. That means they're links. If we click on the professional writing link, we can see that it does go to the professional writing samples page, but none of the nav bar is linked. Next step is highlight or triple click in the paragraph area, the nav bar, Command C for copy or edit copy. And now we're going to paste it with Command V or edit paste for the remaining pages. Every page will have the same nav bar. Command V as in Victor, triple click, Command V, triple click, Command V for paste, contact, triple click, Command V to paste. Asterisks on all these tabs, which means file. We need to go to File, Save All. Alright, we saw activity here, all the asterisks are gone. That tells me that the pages should be saved and put or pushed to the remote server. Let's test that. We're going to refresh the page that we're on, which is our professional writing samples page. There. And as you can see, this page, the nav bar is now live and active with active links. Home page or the index page, professional writing samples page, literature writing samples page. You can see that both the URL or the web address is changing along with the page title, resources, resources, contact, contact. And this ends Lesson 5, Creating and Linking Your Website Portfolio Pages. Again, a part of the series Web Design Lessons for the Professional Writing Portfolio. Thank you, and have a great day.